Hi everyone, this is Robin. I'm here with Nameless. I've started this tutorial with Embrace the Gray by OPI, and I have it on a French manicure. The French pink that I used was a Pedal to the Metal by Dazzle Dry, and I went into the French manicure like this, into a half circle, and then I took and picked it back up and made another half circle so that when they touch, it'll be like this. And then they meet again and then do another circle up this way. I have on my palette right here, and I use 99% of my tutorials, unless I'm doing no water marbling, I use acrylic paint. And the acrylic paint I buy at the craft store. You can get them all at Michael's. If you see somebody in the comments section asking what kind of paint I use, can you please pass on that information, because I find that I can't answer everybody's question on that one. I try to answer the ones that I haven't answered on film so many times. So, okay, I have white acrylic, and I have a little bit of purple, dark purple, gray, and black. And all of this is old, but we were talking, and I didn't clean my little thing, and my cleaner left. My little cleaner left me. So everybody asks me, like, what do I do to keep my, oh goodness, there we go. I spray it with water, my body mister, and I filled the body mister stuff with water, and then I keep it to about the consistency of hair dye. So let me show you. I want to have this the consistency of hair dye. I don't want it as thin as water, but I don't want it as thick as the paint. I want it to go into my brush nice and loosely, so that I can feel the line go down, okay? So, with a darker gray, I'm going to finish and pull to the end. And this is going to be kind of like a French, but also just like very, very scrolled and delicate. I did a design for her for photos that she was going to have because she's having a baby. And she didn't use them, so I'm going in for design number 2 to match the to match the dress, because we didn't do it the first time.
Whoops.
Oops. So it's okay. So now if you see Nameless in a bunch of purple, that's why. Okay, so here's this, and her baby shower is going to be purple and gray. So we're actually just going to we're updating the purple. So this is going for the pictures and for the baby shower. And normally I would paint little babies and it's a girl and stuff like that, but we're not really that way. No. That's not going to happen for either of us. Like, that's not who we are. So I'm going to take the brush, push, and pull up, push and pull down, and then just kind of just scroll it around like that and follow along. I'll put a few leaves up out of the way, just a few. Not too many. I want to keep this design kind of light. I say that about everything. But I start talking, I start teaching, and then pretty soon I have this ornate design. Okay, so there's that. I'll finish this out. Boop. Okay, so now I'm going in with the medium purple, and I'm going to touch into here a few little leaves that are going to be going in here. Just enough to pop this purple out. When it's out, it's going to be like this. Now I'm going to go in and make this a real light lavender. And I'm going to mix it with white. So it'll be lavender and white mostly. Then, here we go. We could leave it like this and it would be perfect. But I'm just going to add a few bigger flowers around. Maybe not on all of them, but just enough to like bloom this design out. This is going to allow them, okay, so here's what I'm thinking. This is what I'm thinking in my head, is that I have to make sure that these nails match her baby shower and her photographs and look nice through the 2 weeks and match, you know, basic everything. So this is going to make sure that her baby shower is matched, because I'm doing some light. so it's not all just dark purple. Then I'm putting in the gray to match the baby shower, but I'm also going to put in darker purples into the center of these flowers, and then put some jewels or some little
glitter
things. Yeah, these things. I don't know what these are called. Can you please put the name of them down below? I know that they have special names, and I have it written on one of them, but they're from Wildflower Nails. You buy them, they're big. They're about the 2 millimeters each, but I'm going to be using the purple in the middle of the flowers, and that's going to bridge the gap because her dress is about this color. So it's going to be baby shower-ish. It's going to be layered, and then it's going to have the jewels all over it. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. And then where I have little extra lines coming up, I'll just put some extra flowers in there. But I'm going to put most of the big flowers in the center, and then just kind of do some buds on this side and this side, and that's it. Meet you back. Okay, so as you guys probably know, or maybe you don't know, I'm having a problem with light and reflection right now. So especially with purple light and reflection. So here it is with the top coat on. I used a Dazzle Dry top coat like always. And let me put some different lights on. That is with no light at all. And I hope you guys can see the different colors because gray and purple are the hardest to film out of all of them. And so I just hope that you guys can see.
Oh, jeez.
Of course, it's a circus. See, that's how I was filming last time, and when I edited, I was like, no! So I'm going to stop that. Eventually. Can we? Thanks. Okay, so anyways, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you try them, please show me at Robin Moses Nail Art on Instagram. And you can get brushes that I use. I only use 2 for all of the designs I do, and you can get them both at robinmosesnailart.com. And look it, I've got Nameless hair pregnant. I got Juicy hair with the baby. I feel like a what's it? Like a daycare. Bones. Oh my gosh, our shop has new life.
We're out of control.
It's teeming with new life. So anyways, you guys have a great day, and I will be back with more. Bye.
Bye.
Juicy.
Bye.